Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 4, 2022. 2-star Sudoku. Second grade. 4 numbers are remaining 1, 2, 6, 7. Column E, column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining 1, 2, 6. Fourth row, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. Eighth grade. 4 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 4, 5. Ninth row, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the 2 cells. Column F, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 5. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 7, 8. First grade. Then column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 8. 7 and 8. It will come any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 8. Fifth row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Third grade, 5 numbers are remaining 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. Column H, third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. The 2 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Seventh row also we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Fifth row and 7th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 8. Second row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Fourth row, only 1 numbers are remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. 7th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 8, 9. 5th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 9. Column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining 8 and 9. 10th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Ninth grade, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Ninth row, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Eighth row, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column B, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Ninth row, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in any one of the two cells, we will confirm later. Seventh grade, three numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 7. Column D, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come in this cell, it will come in any one of the two cells. Then only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column C, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column C, three numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 8. Fourth grade, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Fifth row, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column D, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 8, 9. Fourth grade, we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 8. Fourth grade, we already have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Seventh row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in these cells, this cell, then 6 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Ninth row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. First grade, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Second row, we have 8, so 8 can come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Fourth grade, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Fifth row, we have 3, so 3 can come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 6. Fifth row and 7th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Fifth row, we have 5, so 5 can come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 9. Sixth row and 7th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. 7th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.